Alright everybody, I thought it would be a good idea to go over the questions from the quizzes before you take your test. Remember, your test will be due at 2 p.m., so take pictures of all the pages, make sure they're clear, and upload those to Google Classroom. Alright, so here we have pick the correct inequality. So it's a closed circle and it's shaded to the right. So that would be B, x is greater than or equal to -6. Okay, next, a chef has 2 pounds of potatoes. She needs more than 14 pounds for dinner. What inequality describes the amount of potatoes the chef needs to buy? So that would be x plus 7, and then she needs more than, so that's greater than 14. And then you could solve that to get the exact number. And then number 3, solving -9h is greater than -63. So you will divide both sides by -9. And remember, when you divide by a negative, switch the sign. So that gives you h is less than 7. And number 4, here you're going to combine the like terms. So 5w minus 4w is 1w. So 12 plus w is 15. Subtract 12 to both sides, w equals 3. And number 5, actually most people seem to get this one wrong. So we're going to distribute first. I'm going to write it over here to the side. So -3 minus 24x minus 36 is greater than -111. So then we combine like terms, in this case the constants. You get -24x minus 39 is greater than -111. Add 39 to both sides, and that would give you, let's see, -111 plus 39 is -72. And then divide both sides by -24, and you get, oh, switch the sign, x is less than 3. So B. So that was a tricky one. So you should have that one written down. Your test is open notes, so you could use this for some help. Number 6. Mary has been offered 2 jobs. Job A has a starting salary of $36,000. And a raise of $1,500 every year. Job B has a starting salary of $29,000 and a raise of $2,500 every year. In how many years would the salary be the same at both companies? So let's write the equation. So 36,000 plus 1,500 per year equals 29,000. Plus 2,500y. So then get all the y's to one side. So we'll subtract 1,500y to both sides. and that will give you 29,000 plus 1,000y. Now we'll get the get y by itself. So minus 29,000 to both sides is 7,000 equals 1,000y. And then divide both sides by 1,000, and then that gives you y equals 7 years. And then it says, what would that salary be? So now plug the 7 into your equation, kind of like you're checking the equation. And it turns out that you would get 46,500 on both sides of the equation when you plug 7 in for y. Let's go to the next one. So here you're going to distribute first. So 2a plus 8 equals 6a minus 8. Then we'll get the a's to one side. I'm going to subtract 2a to both sides. You get a equals 4a minus 8 plus 8 to both sides. 16 equals 4a. And then divide by 4a equals 4 is the correct answer. And number 8, when solving the given problem, should we reverse the inequality or keep it? So you're dividing by the -3, the number next to the variable. That's when you flip the sign. So reverse the sign is the correct answer. Number 9, this time to get x by itself, you're multiplying both sides by +2. Since you're multiplying by a positive on both sides, keep the sign the same. Number 10, the perimeter is 24. So let's write the equation. I'm just going to write on top of this. So 24 equals x plus 3 plus 2x minus 5. And then combine all the like terms. So x plus 2x is a total of 4x. Plus 3 minus 5, so minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. And then divide both sides by 4, and you get x equals 6.5 for the correct answer. Number 11, open circle, shading to the left, so x is less than 3. Number 12, we have closed circle, shaded to the right, so it's x is greater than or equal to -2. 13, a student must be at least 15. So that means could be 15 or older. So x is greater than or equal to 15. And then the last one, no more than 12. So that means could be 12, but also less than 12. So less than or equal to 12. Letter D is the correct answer. So good luck on your test. It's open notes, open calculator, closed friends.